The Goonzquad Brothers are not afraid to try new things when it comes to restoring cars. They often come up with innovative techniques to solve problems that arise during the restoration process. Their willingness to experiment and take risks has led to some truly impressive results, such as their custom-built trailer that they use to transport cars to and from their workshop. One of the most important factors that sets the Goonzquad Brothers apart from other creators is their engaging personality. They are not just skilled mechanics, but also charismatic personalities who are fun to watch. Their banter and humor make their videos enjoyable to watch, even for viewers who may not be interested in cars or restoration. This personality has helped them build a strong community of fans who feel like they know the brothers personally.
Alrighty guys, we made it here to our new farm estate. Dang!